Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Bluebird PS22-44A electric pruning shears are a versatile and high-performance tool, ideal for pruning olive groves, vineyards, and orchards. Equipped with an integrated 4A lithium-ion battery, these shears ensure continuous operation for approximately 8 hours, with a reduced charging time of 2 hours. The maximum cutting diameter is 40 millimeters, allowing for efficient and precise work with branches of various sizes. The lightweight and ergonomic design, with a total weight of just 850 grams, makes these shears extremely easy to handle, enabling fatigue-free operation. The small integrated display provides useful information, such as the number of cuts made, improving control and job management. The progressive cutting system and the 2 cutting modes offer additional versatility, allowing adaptation to different types of wood and pruning situations. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.